How to enable NFC and Google Pay in a separate profile on GrapheneOS. So if you want to enable NFC and Google Pay in a separate profile on your GrapheneOS, then just watch this video. So here are the steps. If you want to isolate your financial apps and NFC payments, set them up in a secondary or a work profile. The first step is set up the profile. Create and log into a separate user profile and install sandboxed Google Pay via the GrapheneOS apps utility. Once done, you need to install your wallet. So download the Curve app and your bank's app from the Google Play Store. Then you need to configure the card. Open Curve, complete your KYC identity verification, and link your physical, debit, or credit cards. Once done, you need to enable Curve Pay. Inside the Curve app, activate Curve Pay for the respective payment method. Then you need to go and enable NFC in the system settings. For that, you need to go with Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, and then go with NFC and toggle it on. But let me tell you that on some GrapheneOS versions, secondary profiles cannot access the NFC settings natively. If this happens, you need to install a third-party package manager like App Manager and launch the System Settings app directly and modify the NFC contactless preferences. Under the NFC settings, you need to set contactless payments to your secondary wallet provider. Once configured, simply unlock your phone, hold it against any contactless terminal, and the transaction will pull through your linked cards via the native NFC API. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.